What's up? I'm Jessica Mira, and this is the 2012-2013 Birds of a Feather FK. So this board's new for 2012. It's a hybrid freestyle board, and it's the women's version of the Defenders of Awesome. This next generation design allows you to get all the pop and response from a traditional cambered board with the predictability of flat and reverse camber boards. This board has a twin tip shape with a hybrid camber configuration, which means that there's regular camber all through here to about 5 centimeters outside the inserts, zero camber here, and reverse camber at the contact points. Sounds complicated, but rides really good. This board's construction has a single species poplar core with no finger joints or irregularities, has biax fiberglass with carbon Kevlar load bars, HMC extruded base, PLT Topsheet, and a nice medium flex. So this is definitely my favorite board to ride in the whole lineup. When I first stepped on it, I felt like it made me a better rider, gave me more confidence, and let me ride more aggressively. It's also super forgiving and works in the park, works for rails, and I ride it in a big size for powder too. So great all-around board. So that's it for the 2012-2013 Birds of a Feather FK.